We're here at Hurco's headquarters and we are talking about this stock machine, the VM5i. Of course, as we keep saying, there's never been a better time to buy. You have the CBIL scheme that's been extended to March the 31st, and of course the bounce back loans where you can get up to £50,000 over 6 years and not pay a penny for the first 12 months, and a very low interest rate of 2.5%. However, the main thing here is, Christo, you are very passionate about this machine. So why is that?
Well, I've been in the machine tool trade over 35 years. This is one of the machines that's by far the easiest, best machines to program, easy to work with. It's just a small little workhorse, especially the VM5, especially for second ops, small machines. Get this machine and you will be happy you chose this machine. Part of this, the reason is the conversational control. It makes programming as easy as 1, 2, 3. And it's not just a saying as 1, 2, 3. It is as easy as that. It asks you questions. Anybody who can answer questions can do this machine. If you can read a simple drawing by X and Y and Z, that's it.
And I know that having been out to many Hurco customers, they love the control on this machine. And you're not having to program offline, you can do it all at the machine as well.
That's quite correct.
Yes,
yeah.
The table of this machine, there's something quite impressive about that too.
Yes, yeah. One of the unique things about the VM5 is that the table is exactly the same length as the X and Y travel on the machine. 457 by 356 means you can use the full table area. I mean, there's nothing going to waste on this machine. And part of that is it's a small machine, less than 2 meters square.
It's a tiny machine in terms of footprint and height. How about the spindle?
Spindle is a big plus spindle. Okay. For those that don't know about the big plus, is where your tool locates in the spindle taper and it locates on the face, which makes then for far better, stronger cuts, deeper cuts. And one of the nice things, it's less prone to chatter. And that's one of the little itty bits of machining. Every now and then you get a chatter. And with the big plus spindle, which comes standard on the VM range from the VM5 onwards, chatter is a little bit a thing of the past.
Perfect, there you go. Christo is your man. So if you are interested in this machine, if you've not got that big footprint and you just need that small machine with the power, with the oomph behind it, then make sure you're considering the VM5i from Hurco.